Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Gemini, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. Gemini, we are picking these cards, guys. If you want more clarity in your situation, Gemini, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So let's start with these cards, guys. It's Knight of Sons, Six of Sons and Four of Spheres in reverse. So in your situation, guys, Gemini, it may be in your career situation or in your relationship. So today you are feeling stuck. Some kind of doubts are there, which way to proceed in your work maybe, or what to do what to decide for yourself in your career situation. So you may have a lot of things going on in your mind, guys. How to handle this financial crunch that you are seeing today, Gemini, or it may be some difficult situation in your relationship. Maybe how to handle this misunderstanding, some kind of a difficulty. Maybe for some of you, this person is someone who is quite immature and they are just jumping to conclusion and they are rushing, being really rash and immature maybe, and they have moved away from you. It may be a temporary separation you are seeing here, Gemini. For some of you, maybe you are in separation. This person has got carried away emotionally. They are just being really rash, doing things rashly, and they do not have clarity. So maybe some small thing has blown up out of proportion to this situation. So it would have started with some small arguments or some small misunderstanding, and that is the reason for this separation or some kind of a temporary break you are seeing today, guys, Gemini. But you need not worry, Gemini. If you are able to hold on, if you are willing to be patient with this person, maybe they will see the truth about your love and they may realize your love and they may come back to you. And for some of you, this person may send some kind of a message through your common friend or a family member. So things are going to change if you can be patient, Gemini. So they will understand your love and come back to you. So reconciliation is what I see, guys, with these cards, and it is going to be a definite thing. You need not worry, but it will happen only if you are patient, guys, patiently waiting for them to understand and for that right time to come. So that is the energy with these cards, guys. And maybe even if you are seeing some difficulties in your career situation, if you can just hold on, be patient, your circumstances are changing for sure, guys, Gemini. So that is the reading with these cards, Gemini. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Gemini. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading. Let's see what is the first card. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this card, it is Blessing of Zara. So with this card, guys, the energy is that in your situation you are given a blessing or a guidance. So something is obstructing the way of fulfillment in your life, unfoldment, a divine unfoldment, and opportunities are coming towards you to shed the toxins, whatever was not working for you. It may be at the physical level, emotional, or psychological level. So sometimes you may understand it consciously, sometimes you may not, but you are in the process of detoxing right now, guys, giving up old thoughts, feelings, pains, and struggles, memories from the past flooding you, and you are just expelling all that negativity from your being, and you are moving towards full radiance, vitality. And maybe if you are unwell, if you are sick or suffering from some sickness, you are healing from that, guys, and you are back to good health, recovering to good health, and you are finding that radiance in your soul today, guys, and it is only a matter of time you reach back to your original glory today, guys. And also this card comes with the special guidance. Maybe you are pained because something is leaving you, something which you love is no longer there, but you need to understand that it may be a person or a circumstance. You are seeing inevitable changes to it because it may not support you anymore, guys, and it is not something that is good for you. Something much more beautiful is waiting for you, loving and beautiful. So you just need to rise up and move forward towards that and not brood over the past. So that is the energy with this card, guys. And that time of healing or detox or shining with that previous glory or brilliance is imminent, and you need not worry. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who choose this card, that is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, the second card, we have hope. So in our situation, guys, often we see or we hear struggles or troubles in our life, and we feel hopeless and heavy at heart. We don't know what we'll be able to do, how to help people, how to do anything about it. So we just simply observe and we do nothing. It is impossible for us to change the whole world, but we can start with some small acts of kindness or help in our situation, guys. So we can do something which we are really passionate about. Maybe a small thing will make a huge difference in someone's life. So when we dedicate our time, resources or finances to make a difference in that area, it is going to change the way things are for someone else. And when we work with like-minded people, we will help ourselves to realize the purpose of our life and it will bring us hope and faith in future. So we can start with some small acts of help or kindness, and it will instill hope and a sense of purpose in that person's life to whom we are showing our compassion or kindness, and it will instill hope in their lives too. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys, for you all today. I hope this reading resonates. If it does, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.